Hello, welcome. So, as we cleared, sorry, wait a second, yes, as we cleared this around eight uh, highly used methods in capability API. Now I'll cover uh, select match, select values, toggle select, and I'll show why select method cannot be used. Okay, it can be used, but there is a catch for that. So when we are done with these three, we'll do that. Okay, we'll start with select values first. Okay, so you can find it in field API. Go to select values, and as I told you, it's just copy and paste. Okay, I'll take this one. Okay, select value from field name dot values dot select values. In array you have to give the set of values you want to select, and there are two parameters. I'll explain those two parameters very sec. So I have my field ready category, and I'll just convert it to single quotes. Perfect. And I have category C1, I think. Let me check. Yes, C1, C2, C3. It says C1. I'll just paste C2. Okay. So if I click this button, C1, C2, C3 will be C1 and C2 will be selected. So if I just add fresh once, I have my button select category. I'll click on this, and I have C1 and C2 selected. Okay. So in the same way, if just in case you accidentally give C1 as C1, yeah, okay, the C is not in caps, then what it will do? So let's refresh and check once again. So select value is a case sensitive method, so it will not select C1, but it will select C2. See, but you can give multiple options, multiple values here in C1 and C2. So as for method, you have array, string, and string. You have a toggle select and soft lock. I already told you about the toggle, about the soft lock. Okay, if your uh, field is locked, then it will select if it is true. Okay, so for now it is true, so it will select. Okay, so toggle. So then we'll see toggle select. The next is toggle select. So I'll just copy this whole thing down, and I'll say toggle select. It is the same thing, toggle select. I just need to pass the value to it and the soft lock. Okay, now it's toggle select, but it is taking only one value instead of two. Okay, it can only take one value. So if I refresh and click toggle select, it will select C2 or C1, whatever I gave. See, it's selecting it, then it is unselecting it. It is same like this. See, okay, same feature, but programmatically. Now we can jump to match. Okay, so match is also same like toggle select. So I'll tell you one thing you need to know about select match and toggle select. About select match and toggle select. Okay, see, toggle select has a matching value with soft lock, same with the match function. Okay, but it will toggle it. This will not toggle it. It is telling match. Okay, and if you see to your toggle select also, it says match. Match means it is not case sensitive. Okay, as you can see, I have C in small. Okay, so it is not case sensitive. Now I'll refresh and I'll show you this action in this action. Okay, show its action. Let's toggle select match. See, it selects only one. This will select and unselect it. Okay, so this is the basic difference. So if you can say is in from select value toggle select is derived as well as select match is also derived. Okay, so logically it is like this: from select value select match is derived and then toggle select is derived. You can also say like this. There is one more method called select. What this method does is it takes the element id or the id of your this uh, of your value id of our value and it selects it. So for just for demonstration purpose, if I take this and paste it right here and only 0, so 0 doesn't mean it will select the first this. Okay, so I'll just show you. See, 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, let's say 4. So if your sequence change, I think the ID will also change. Okay, but I don't have a clear idea, clear experience that is that the reason. Okay, it is taking regulars and regulars was 0 1 2 3 4. Yes, it was on 4th. If I say 2, then it should select 0 1 2. It should select C3. Okay, let's refresh and see if it is selecting C3. See, okay. So this is the case with the select function, but we don't use this because we can do a lot of things with these three. So I don't recommend using this. If the alignment or the numbering changes, then we can face some issue with that too. So now we are over with select match and values also. Our field API is over. Now you can see the navigation API and variable API. In variable API get method we are not going to use. Okay. I'm not going to use now in widgets. Okay. I can just say no here. Set we are going to use, but set content is actually will be removed from Qlik. Okay, number and string we'll check these three. Okay, these three plus this makes only 7. So in the next session we'll go with navigation and then we'll go with the variable in widgets. So if you are done with widgets, then we can move to the mashup part. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time.